What's going on, creative minds? It's your boy Tutorial Tone here, back with another media production tutorial. This is Canva under 10 minutes. Let's get into it. First, when you go to canva.com, if you don't have a Canva account, you can sign in with your Google, you can sign in with either Facebook, Apple, or if you have your own personal Yahoo or another email you want to use, you can sign in personally. But once you sign up with Canva, so as you can see, you have your home screen. So you have your Canva button, which is the same as your home screen. And now you have your template button, which have a few different options to choose from. You have the social media tab, personal, business, marketing, education, trending. And then you also have subcategories under it, like the Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, invitation, presentation, posters, etc. So now you also have features. You have millions and millions of photos, icons, products, apps, and different things that Canva provide for you. And as you can see, under each tab they have different subcategories too. Now in the learning tab, you could learn different courses, different things to sharpen your skills on Canva, tutorials, blogs, and a few different things that Canva provide themselves. Now in pricing, we have free pricing, which will be what we're doing the tutorial today about. We have the pro account, which have pro features, an enterprise if you're a business, education if you're like a teacher or school, and a nonprofit if you're like a program. Now, this is a search button where you can type in any searches for any templates that you're looking for. You can also click the Create Design button where you can also search and look at the different templates to choose from. Now, the Recommended For You tab, usually when you create your own designs a lot, you'll see this tab here. Under the All Design tab, this is where all your designs will be once you start designing. And now we have the Share For You tab, where if you gain designs, they'll share that with you. The Brand Kit, this is very useful for business owners and people that would like to create their own brand logos, brand color, and brand fonts. This is a good way to create a brand kit. Now we have the All Your Folders, where it gives you all your designs, your likes, your purchase, shared with you, your trash, and all these other tabs. And then you have your different folders. Now in the search button on the search bar, we can go for YouTube thumbnails. Now once we look under YouTube thumbnails, there will be a lot of different templates that you can choose from. What I'm gonna do is, for the example of this video, I'm gonna pick one template. Once I pick the template that I like, you have numerous options when it gets into this window. Now if you look over here to your left, you see templates. What this is a search bar within the category of templates you chose already. So seeing that we're on YouTube thumbnails, these are all the different templates for thumbnails. So as you can see, there's search bar here, and then if you scroll down, there's music YouTube thumbnails, there's food YouTube thumbnails, there's beauty YouTube thumbnails, and there's tutorial YouTube thumbnails. And then there's like a all results that kind of mix everything together. Now you're on your upload tab, so you can upload your images, your video, your audio. And then we have the Photos tab, where you have the option of choosing millions of photos that Canva provide for you. There are a lot of free and paid version of photos that's on here. They have an Elements tab where you could use and import different lines, shapes, gradient shapes, and color, and different frames and different things that you would like to add to your photos, even icons to kind of enhance your photo and make it even better. We have a text button where you can choose your text. There's different fonts and different styles you have in here in this category, where you can just scroll and pick. And then you also have the audio, where Canva provide a lot of free audio, also paid audio. And then we also have the video tab, where Canva also provide a lot of free videos. We have the background tab where there's a lot of different options to choose from when it comes to background, and you can just click through it and check. And then now let's get into designing. So the beautiful thing about Canva is they provide you with a lot of templates that are very easy to work with, and you don't have to change much in order to have a professional look. So as you can see here, once I click on the title, give me the option of choosing different fonts. We also can change the size of the title, the color, the bold, the lining, the spacing, the list, the effects, and you can even duplicate it, say if you would like to make another version of it. But I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so once I have the title that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and start customizing it. So I'm gonna type in, for this video, YouTube test video. So all I'm gonna do is align it. I'm gonna try to change the background, give it something that's a better feel to complement the brown. I like the urban look for this, but I'm gonna try to switch it up. Now, as you can see, when I import the photo, it lands on top of what I have going on with my title in the back. So what you could do is just right click and click on send to back, and it will put it behind the layer item that you have in front of it. All you have to do is just resize. Now this is cool, but what I could do is try to center it, see if I like that. So that's cool, but what I could do is also double click on it, and I could re-crop the photo or make it even bigger, where I could bring these items that I want that might be small at first to even bigger. So now what I could do is just make the camel bigger. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some elements to this photo to, you know, kind of spice it up a little bit. Thus far I have a title, I have a background, it looks good, but I want to add some elements. So now as you can see with the crown next to these items, that means that they're premier. Once you point at something and it says free, then you know that it's for free. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it, and I'm gonna send this to the back instead of putting it on top of the title. Let me see, add this up. Now if you click the share button, you can pick an email that you would like to share this with, so you can customize, or you click the download button. Now within the download button, they give you a few options to download the photo within JPEG, PDF. You have the MP4 video or a GIF. What I'm gonna do for this photo, I'm gonna save it as a JPEG. So save it as JPEG and download. And there you go. That was it. This is Canva under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoy. If you like more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment. Let me know that you like this content. I'll definitely leave more. And that's pretty much it. There you go, creative minds. Take care. And see you at another Tutorial Tone production.
Smack, smack.